Have you ever heard of the 100-day cough? It's a terrifying reality for parents facing pertussis, a bacterial infection that attacks the very airways needed to breathe. Let's break down what pertussis is. Medically known as whooping cough, it is a highly contagious respiratory infection caused by the specific bacterium Bordetella pertussis. This germ spreads incredibly fast, through droplets produced when infected people cough or sneeze, making it a major public health challenge that requires immediate attention. While older children and adults might only experience mild symptoms, younger children face severe risks, including pneumonia and even inflammation of the brain. Fortunately, we have a powerful defense. The DTaP immunization protects against diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis, with 5 routine doses given before a child's 6th birthday. The severity of the condition is highlighted by its nickname, the 100-day cough, describing the severe and persistent spells that can last for months. In summary, this contagious bacterial disease is a serious respiratory threat, but understanding the transmission and the critical importance of the DTaP vaccine saves lives. So there you have it, the science behind the 100-day cough. Understanding how Bordetella pertussis spreads and why early vaccination is vital empowers us to protect our communities.